How to fix gift card currency must match your account country problem in Roblox. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, a lot of people has been facing this Roblox problem where they will buy a gift card that is in a certain currency, and when they want to claim it, they get this error that tells them that the currency of the gift card must match the currency of their account. And this problem happens due to the fact that your currency of your account is directly related to the location of the Roblox account, meaning that, for example, a account that is in USA, automatically the currency of that account will be in USD, in dollars, while the currency of an account that's in Europe will be automatically in euros. And this problem is facing people uh, after the latest Roblox update, where Roblox removed the features and the options that allows people to change the location and the currency of their account, meaning that you can no longer change the currency of the location of your account. So if your account is already in euros or in um, AUD or any currency, if you bought a Roblox gift card, which are usually in dollars, you will not be able to claim them. However, there's a solution that I've seen plenty of people use across different social medias. I've seen it on TikTok, on Discord servers, and in Reddit communities. And it seems that this solution is working since it's the only solution that people are using, and they show screenshots and proofs that their problem has been solved after using the solution. And it goes like this: just follow these steps. The process is very easy and simple. And first of all, go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, search for Roblox support and navigate to their website. Now, once you are here, you will get to this page, which is the contact us page. First of all, they will ask you to enter your birthday, so it's going to enter random one. You make sure to enter your exact birthday. Once you do that, click on next, and as soon as you do that, you will land on this page right here, which is again the contact us page, where you will see that there are two sections. The first section is the contact information, where you will be entering your username optionally, as well as your first name. And I recommend that you do enter them to make things easier. And after that, you will be entering your email address and confirming it. And make sure that you enter the address that you use to create your Roblox account or your main email address so the support can get back to you easily. Now, once you are done with the first section, scroll down to the second section, which is what we want, which is the issue details. Now, you will see that the first option right there, it says what device are you having the problem on. Click on the drop down and select your device. For me, personally, for example, it's Android phone. Now, once you do that, the second option or drop down is the type of help category. If you click on it, you will find a bunch of categories right here. What I recommend you to choose is either the technical support or the how to. So choose any one of them. As soon as you do that, you will see that there's a new drop down that has just appeared. If you click on it, you can choose any option from these. It does not really matter. And the final feature that we want to look at, which is probably the most important one, is this field that says description of issue, where you will be contacting the Roblox support team and describing your issue to them. So in this section, you need to reach out to the Roblox support team, provide them with your name, your address, everything, the gift card numbers, the error number, and or the error that you got. Make sure to explain it very, very well. And once you do that, once you are done, click on submit to send your request. And after a while, maybe it will take it's different for each and every one, to be honest. It might take a few business days to get to for the Roblox team to get back to you. But what I've seen, people showing screenshots and um, telling their experience, is that they will get back to you and contact with you like back and forth to solve your problem and to redeem your gift card. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix Roblox problem that says your gift card currency must match your account country. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.